We should check for draft.
Oh, track. Oh, okay, okay.
I have Crocs on.
Okay, okay.
We look at the we should our draft.
Imagine if you open this shit up.
Yeah, we should see this thing pull in. Is it?
No, not yet.
Ever so slightly here.
Maybe it's scared. Yeah.
Oh.
It's
supposed
it's
to
a
like.
warm day.
It's not really.
Here we got some action.
Little bit, yeah. Yeah, it moves a little bit. More progress.
You're right. Actually, when you talk, you can see it.
Maybe it's the window because it's open.
No, it's our breath. It's not no
It's
draft.
ever so slight. You know, it's being pulled in. It's a very weak effect.
Yeah.
You should check if you're brave.
If you're brave.
Oh, here's pretty strong.
If you don't like
Yes,
your
you
own
have a
life.
draft right there.
So it's if you're brave, slowly. In other words, you just it's on still, right? You can put your actually something actually. I'm not telling you to smoke, but
He's pulling it in?
Yes, yeah, it's pulling it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and you can slowly put your hand here, and if it's spilling because of a clog here or inadequate
It
draft,
will be like warm air.
It'll be roasting air. Your hand will be well done.
like an oven.
That's why do the candle until you get used to it, because it's 500-degree air being blown
Coming
out.
out. Oh.
I shouldn't even tell you this thing really, but the Brooklyn Union people do it, and you know, just like they really not supposed to break the union like I did. They're supposed to connect a garden hose and run out a window. That's the way you're supposed to do it. So we have a draft. So I think we're okay for that now. We're only about 1.2. Hold it up. 2.
The thing is, if it's clogged, it
Also,
will
we
like
wanna
push it
clock
down.
our meter.
Yeah, it
Remember
will be
last
like a
week
torch
we talked-
type of thing.
Anyone got a pencil, pen handy?
Okay.
Great, thank you. We want to clock our meter. And so we look at our meter and we have, first of all, on our tag we have a certain BTU, no, leave it on. We have a BTU input. It says, what does it say? Someone with eyes.
BTU input?
No, over here.
Oh.
Look at the black one.
112?
112,000 BTUs. This is our meter now. We go downstairs to the meter, make sure all the stoves, dryers, and other appliances are off, and only the boiler is running. And we take our watch, and we see our meter running. So now when it hits the top, it was 30.
Yeah, this one is moving.
Okay, again, I can't even see my watch. Okay, at the bottom now, I'm at 13. So we're going to go for a minute and count the turns of this style. We just have one turn. Now, at the bottom, we have 2 turns, and we're going to 13. Now we're going. We have 3 turns, about 10 seconds left.
yes, I have to.
11, 12, 13. So we have 3 1/3 turns in a minute.
No, some of them today looks like some of
Um,
them are going to be more.
We have 3 1/3 turns, so our BTUs in per hour is equal to. Did I put this formula on the board last week? I should have. This is the turns per revolution. I mean cubic feet per revolution. In this case, it was the half cubic foot dial, right? No, there was this. Remember, there's a half and a 2 on the meter. How many turns did we have in a minute? 3 1/3 turns per minute. You could do it in 5 minutes or half a minute. This gives us cubic feet per minute. How many BTUs are in a cubic foot of gas? We assume about 1,030 BTUs per cubic foot. And how many minutes per hour? 60. Would someone have a calculator?
What do you want to calculate? Go ahead.
The BTU input. Oh, that's a half times 3 1/3. That's oh, that's 1 1/2. That's good. It's 1 2/3. 1 2/3. 1.66 times 60. Yeah. This is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. 36, 39. 1 times. Okay, so I had like 99,600 BTUs
Per hour.
Problem or not? The tag says 112,000, and we're burning 99,100.
This is
I think,
below.
if I did my calculation right.
It's below.
Right, it's below. What should we do?
There.
Put in more. No, put in more gas.
Yes.
We have to step
Oh.
on it. In other words, we're going too slow. So how do we step on it?